Hello everyone. Chapter 6, Understanding Criminal Justice System. In last class, we have already discussed about the role of police and FIR. The role of police begin when the person completed the lodge their FIR in the police station. So from that moment, the role of police started. Am I audible, everyone? Am I audible? That time, the police start investigation related to that incidents, that crime. Same way we have already discussed about the example, the comic illustration given in your chapter. When the Mrs. Shinde suspect that Shanti had stolen her chain, gold chain. So the Mr. Rao, who is police inspector in this illustration, he start collecting the evidence. Okay. So the police work begins after the lodging the FIR. FIR means the first information report. And after that, he filed the, after FIR, when he completed his FIR, he filed the charge sheet in the court. Now the question is, what is the charge sheet? In the charge sheet is depend on the FIR, what is the happen in that? It is a formal document of the allegation prepared by the charge sheet prepared by the police. It is a final report which describes the crime that has been committed. Once it is submitted to the court, so whose play start? The prosecutor play role start. So let's talk about the role of public prosecutor in the criminal justice system. Okay, everyone. Public prosecutor, who is the person? The person who are the public prosecutors are gazetted officers who are appointed by the state to help in the prosecution of offenders to keep society free from crimes. Their officers are situated in the respective court buildings. So who play role after the police? Public prosecutor. What is the role? The public prosecutor represent to show the interest of the state, which think is a beneficial for the society. Once the police investigation, all the investigation, the incidents, and file the charge in the court. Okay, so the public prosecutor role begins, and the prosecutor must conduct the prosecution on the behalf of the state, because the person filed the FIR in the police station, and police station is a part of the state, part of his administrative system. But the public prosecutor, as an officer of the court, it is his and her duty. Kya duty hai? To act impartially and present the full and material fact, witness, evidence before the court to enable the court to decide the case. Court decide the person is guilty or not, the person is innocent or not. So he fight the case on behalf of state, on behalf of police, on behalf of who lodged the FIR. I hope it is understood the role of public prosecutor. But it is not like that the public prosecutor decide the person is innocent or not. No. He only represent the facts. evidence, witness, front of the court. Okay? Now, next one is judge. So before discussing the role of the judge, let's discuss the role of defense lawyer, who's play a very important role in criminal justice system, and without his presence, no trial can be called fair trial. According to the Article 22, the Constitution, every person has a fundamental right to be defended by a lawyer. And Article 39A stated that stated a place of duty upon the state to provide a lawyer to any citizen who is unable to engage one due to poverty or other disability. The same case with the Shanti. She is unable to pay the fee of a lawyer. So when she asked from the magistrate that she is unable to pay the fee of lawyer, the magistrate appoint the defense lawyer for her. Advocate Kamla Roy, right? According to under the Article 39A. The defense lawyer act as a savior of the accused. He gets a copy of charge sheet and the statement of the witnesses. The defense lawyer, he very carefully questions and cross-examines the witness of the prosecution. Those witness represented by prosecutor. It is his duty to see that a fair trial is conducted and the reasonable and just procedure is followed. It is a duty to see that it should be moving smoothly, fairly. He presents the witness in the defense of the accused. अपने पर्सन को अपने जिसके लिए ही अपॉइंटेड बाय द मजिस्ट्रेट और अपॉइंटेड बाय द स्टेट, उसको डिफेंड करने के लिए he takes all the trouble in the presenting strong evidence which may defend his client and prove his innocence so that he is set free. When he proves that his client is innocent, his client is not guilty, then his client will be free now by the court. Then he will be declared innocent. So that is the very important role the defense lawyer play in criminal system. The next is judge. At the head of the judiciary structure, there are the court where the judge play an important role. Judge is play like an umpire in a game, conduct the fair, impartially and in an open court. Who conduct the trial impartially in the open court. There is a district courts, high courts, and above the Supreme Court, which try to give justice to the people. They punish the guilty and culprit so that the citizen may lead a life of relief and prosperity. One after the other, these courts try to verify the fact very closely. Hear the both side, public prosecutor and defense lawyer. Listen the argument of both lawyer and put forward by the lawyer of the applicants, and those who responded supported by different witnesses. After the cross examine of the whole case, they give their judgment. The judge decide whether the accused person is guilty or innocent on the basis of evidence presented and in accordance with the law. The judge only give his verdict on the basis of evidence. Those are according to law. If the accused is convicted, then the judge pronounce the sentence. Sentence means the punishment. He may send the person to jail or impose a fine or both, depending on what the law prescribes. According to the crime, every punishment is written in the constitution, in the laws. So according to that, the judge pronounce the sentence. The judge deliver his verdict, decision on particular case. So he play a role as an umpire in the game, who decide the player is out or not, the ball is through wrong or right. So he play as an umpire role. The goal is according to the rule or not. Everything decided by umpire in the game, same way the decision decided by the judge in the criminal justice system.